Hi, welcome to Star Tech Academy, where you will learn something new with every new video. So recently, OpenAI just shocked the whole world again. Because recently, OpenAI released its text to AI video generator, Sora, and it's really mind-blowing. So, all you know that there are a lot of AI video generation tools available on the internet, but their generated videos are kind of useless and you can clearly identify that this is a video which is created by AI. For example, this video of Will Smith eating spaghetti. That's kind of funny. But now I'm going to show you some AI generated videos which will shock you. So here it's a video created by Sora. So it is totally AI generated video, but you can clearly see the details, the shadow, lightning. These are totally realistic. You can see the details in face, in glasses, and the prompt of this video is: a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and a black boots. We will see next video. You can see the details in this video. So these results are totally amazing. And if you watch these videos randomly, you cannot tell the difference that these are real videos or AI generated videos. Here is the prompt that a young man at his 20s is sitting on a piece of cloud in the sky reading a book. And here you can see the details, shadows and color tone, etc. So 70 to 80% it is looking real. But if you look closely, you can see some flaws. Like here you can see in the pages of this book. But it's only a matter of time before these limitations are figured out. I am waiting to watch Sora in action, so stay connected for more updates and hit that subscribe button. That's all in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.